Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Apple account tied to the charge. This ensures you manage the correct subscriptions. First, unlock the device and sign in with that Apple ID. Next, open Settings and tap your name, or on Mac go to System Settings, then choose Subscriptions. Doing this now takes you straight to the list of active and expired subscriptions, so you can act on the specific service without guessing which account or device created the charge. Once done, locate the subscription you want to cancel and tap to open details. This is where you confirm what will stop and when. Make sure to review the renewal date and price, because Apple charges at the start of each billing cycle. If you cancel mid-cycle, you often retain access until the period ends. Also check if it's shared through family sharing and whether you used a free trial. Those factors change who controls or loses access after cancellation. You now cancel by tapping Cancel Subscription and confirming the prompt. Do this carefully and save the confirmation email or a screenshot for record keeping. After cancellation, you typically keep access until the current billing cycle ends, so make sure to note that date. If you don't see Cancel Subscription, it means the charge may come from a third party or through the app developer. In that case, sign into the store where you subscribed or contact Apple support with your.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.